Model 2015 VAUXHALL VIVARO TRAFIC Black 1.6CDTI Sportive Spares OR Repairs Body, Black, Panel Van Mileage, 73,694 MOT, 9 December 2023 Engine, 1,598 cc 1.6115 PSE5A Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Used for events organizing, so it's had an easy life respectively. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon. EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap. Retail, £8,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.